So in this video, we're going to take a look at other structures coverage and how it applies to earthquake insurance, what some of the common items are in other structures coverage, what is the most common question we get about an item in other structures coverage. So stay tuned to hear more. Now, what is other structures? Looking at the definition, other structures is that on the resident premises that is set apart from the dwelling by clear space. And the second point here is probably more important to understanding other structures. This includes structures connected to the dwelling that are outside the foundation walls or not necessary to the structural integrity or habitability of the dwelling. And let's take a look at some examples here to better understand. It's a guest house, a detached garage. Those would be examples of other structures. Now, pools, spas, and hot tubs. This is an important area because a lot of people ask about this. Pools, hot tubs, spas are covered in other structures, and they do have a sublimit. This is probably the only area where there's a sublimit in other structures, and certain carriers have certain amounts. Palomar has a coverage of $50,000 for the pools. If your pool's cracked or damaged, they will pay up to $50,000. GeoVera, the other earthquake carrier, is a little bit tricky. They have either $25,000 or $50,000 coverage amount for pools, and that depends on the dwelling coverage amount. If your dwelling coverage is over $500,000, they'll give you $50,000. If it's under 500, they'll give you $25,000 for pool coverage. Zurich does not have a sublimit for pools. They'll pay up to the limit of the other structure's amount. And Zurich does have 10% they offer for other structures. So 10% of the dwelling coverage amount is their other structures limit. And looking at some more examples, patios, barbecue areas, gazebos, those would be other structures. Of course, retaining walls, fences, those two, any deck in the back of the house, those two would be part of other structures coverage. Now, a common question we get is my driveway part of other structures? The driveway is an entrance or an exit to the house. So the habitability of the home depends on the driveway. So it is considered part of the dwelling coverage. Same with attached garage. That's also part of the dwelling coverage amount. Okay, so there you have it, folks. That's for other structures coverage. Hopefully this video has helped you understand other structures coverage a little bit better. And if you'd like to learn more about earthquake insurance policies and customize the perfect policy for you, give us a call or go to our website at earthquakeagent.com.